Hi, my lovelies. I have two unboxings today, and the first one is from Ocean Bubbles Bath and Body. So what we have here, we have the fairy dust. Look how sparkly it is. It is so full of shimmer. I just had to have it when I saw it on the website. So freaking pretty. I don't even remember what else I ordered, honestly. I just knew that she was back, and so I decided to order a few things. All right, so the second one that we have, another shimmery one. This one is called Mermaid Scale. I'm trying to smell it. I can't really get the scent of it. Looks like it was banged up a little bit, but it should be fine. It doesn't feel soft. Oh yes, I remember ordering this one as well because it's so cute. This one is called Acqua di Gio, and this is from the men's collection. Oh, I can smell that. I got this one for my kid who has a big busky mustache. Nice. What else do I have here? I have Lady Luck. Oh yeah, another super shimmery one. This is making me want to take a bath like right now. Gorgeous, gorgeous. On the next one. Oh yeah, I got this one purely for the shimmer, and it looks like the shimmer is actually going to fall off on this one when I open it up. So I have to make sure I put a plate underneath it so I can scoop up all the shimmer and put it right back on. In the image, this basically showed the whole top covered in shimmer. It's like it wasn't falling apart, so maybe this is because of shipping. I don't know. And that's why I bought it, because I saw the full top filled with the shimmer. But it looks like it's falling off. So I have to be very careful when I open it so that I can scoop it all back up and put it back on top. Oh, I forgot to tell you what this one is. This one is called Starburst. And I think that's it. Oh no, I still have some stuff left. That's how much I remember what I purchased. Oh, I don't remember purchasing this one. Himalayan salt spa bar. Must be a free gift because I don't remember purchasing it. And if I did, I must have been on drugs. Really, really awesome looking, actually. This is going to be cool. Never seen anything quite like it. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, and then one last one. This one is called Coconut Bay. Oh, I love the scent of this one. And I don't have the pricing on it like right now because I don't see an invoice. But that's what I got from Ocean Bubbles and Bath. All right, the next one is, oh my gosh, not to discount Ocean Bubbles, but I was not having a good, I can't say a good day, just a good life in general. These past couple of days have been really tough on me. But when I saw this box, just the black box, which I know that that's glitter and gore, it actually made me happy just to know what was there. So this is the Send in the Clowns box. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. All right, so let's see what's in here. Yes, little sticker. Oh, nice. Looks like an updated card from the last one that I got. There's her info. Whoop, whoop. All right, so let's take a look at what's in the Send in the Clowns box. Oh, I can't. Can you just even see right through? I'll be right back. I'm going to unwrap. For the love of all that's good and holy, look at this guy. He's so freaking cute. He smells nice too. Doll face. Oh my gosh, I love him. Let me read the card because he smells Let me see. Doll face Fruit Loops. I was gonna say he smells familiar, but it's familiar because it also has maraschinos, cherries, and vanilla. So it was a little different than Fruit Loops. I couldn't put my finger on what the difference was. All right, the next thing that we have was this bag o' brains. I'm sure that's not what she called it, but since I picked it up and I saw it was a bag o' brains, I call it bag o' brains. This is Clown's Brains Mini Bath Bombs. How cute. Let me see what that's scented in. That is scented in blue raspberry and mint leaves. I'm sorry, that's wrong. It is scented in mixed berries and midway candy. We have a clown nose soap. And that was the clown nose soap is saltwater taffy. Oh, look at this. Oh, can't even pick it up. It's kind of heavy. Strawberry candy floss bubble bar. Oh, I like her bubble bars and it's shimmery. Couldn't wait to get this box, honestly. A raspberry sherbet body scrub. Oh, some of it came out and I can smell it. It smells delish. Sound like freaking Scooby-Doo. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to unpackage these. This next bath bomb is called Crazy Eyes. Crazy Eyes is scented in the blue raspberry and mint leaves. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have so much fun. Oh, I can smell it. It smells minty yet blueberry-ish. I'm sorry, blue raspberry-ish. That's what I meant to say. All right, now, this last one in here. I've had this clown before. She's made it before. But this is an upgrade. And the first one was just as awesome as this one. But this is so freaking awesome. All right, let me see. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Ooh, excuse me. This is called Send in the Clowns. And I've had this mold, I believe. But it was used for, oh my gosh. Look at his mouth. It was used for the Michael Myers, the young Myers clown mask. I believe it was the same mold. I might be wrong. And this one is scented in lemon, sugar, and mango. I cannot wait. Like seriously. I really cannot wait. So we have the Send in the Clowns. We have Doll Face. We have the Clown Nose Soap. We have the Clown Brains Bath Bomb, mini bath bombs. We have the, oh Lord, Blood on the Midway Bubble Bar in Strawberry Candy Floss Fragrance. Oh. And we have, oops, I almost dropped it. No. We have this Crazy Eyes and that really unique scent of blue raspberry and mint. And so that, oh, I'm sorry, one more thing. We also had this raspberry sherbet sugar scrub. This box is freaking amazing. If you like clowns, oh my gosh, I don't know if you like clowns though. I love clowns. I love spooky clowns, not just regular clowns. And so she really hit it out of the ballpark with this. This is freaking amazing. All right, guys, that's all for today's unboxings, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.